Today, we're installing the MarsAuto HID lights for the 2015 Porsche Macan S. This is way more than I bargained for. In order to change out the headlight in here, you have to replace 7 clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you take off this small trim panel first. It just slides right out. And then you you take out this big trim panel right here. And then after that, you can gain access underneath here to the left of the headlight, and right here, a 10mm bolt with a washer. This one is a pain to get to. I recommend a flimsy attachment on a drill screwdriver, like this.
Ugh!
After you do that, you can kind of like rotate this headlight up. It's still attached to a hose down here, so don't try to like yank it out. You're going to unplug a rubber hose and then a wire harness that goes to the headlight unit. And then from there, you'll be able to fully rotate this up, untwist the cap, untwist the HID unit in there, take it out, unplug the connector, plug the new one back in. It's a whole process. Put it all back together, do it exactly how you just did it, repeat it again. This is what the old one looked like. Here's where it plugs in. These are the gross yellow tinted lights.